Today we're going deep into Weltrade to answer the big question, is this broker legit or a scam you should avoid? Let's break it down with facts, user feedback, and regulatory info so you can decide for yourself. First, what Weltrade claims. Weltrade says it has been operating since 2006, offering Forex, crypto, and CFD trading through popular platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. It advertises features like tight spreads and high leverage, multiple account types, fast execution and 30 plus payment options, 24/7 support and global access. These are classic features of a trading broker on paper, but what matters most is regulation, transparency, and real user experiences. Regulation, the most important factor. WorldTrade claims to be regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, in South Africa, the International Financial Services Commission, IFSC, in Belize. The FSCA is generally seen as a credible regulatory body, but there's limited public verification from independent sources confirming Weltrade's current active status under this license. Meanwhile, Belize's IFSC is considered less strict than regulators like the UK's FCA or Australia's ASIC. Additionally, reports from third-party monitoring sites flagged that some licenses and registrations have been revoked in the past, and physical office claims didn't always match real addresses. So, regulation exists, but the depth and transparency of oversight may not be as strong as top-tier brokers. User reviews, a mixed picture. On platforms like Trustpilot, Weltrade has a high average rating, with many users praising swift deposits and withdrawals for some helpful customer support, easy trading conditions, fast trade execution, but there's a long list of negative reviews too, including complaints about deposits not reflecting in accounts, delayed or refused withdrawals, poor customer support response, allegations of withheld funds or unhelpful service. These mixed experiences make it clear that some people have legit success with Weltrade, while a significant number report serious frustrations or account issues. Independent watchdog ratings. Independent review sites like WikiFX give Weltrade a very low risk score, warning traders to be cautious. This rating reflects things like regulatory uncertainty, complaints about withdrawals and execution, relatively high risk compared to better regulated brokers. This doesn't automatically mean 100% scam, but it does indicate that the broker's risk profile is higher than average. So, is Weltrade legit or a scam? Here's the honest breakdown. It isn't an obvious scam with fake domains or disappear after deposits tactics like some clear scam platforms do. But at the same time, regulation isn't top tier or transparent. There are many unresolved complaints online. Some traders experience serious delays or lost funds. This means Weltrade may be usable by some traders, but it comes with risks you should not ignore. Final verdict. Weltrade is not categorically a confirmed scam, but it is not a fully trustless, highly regulated broker either. If you must trade with them, start with a small amount you can afford to lose. Check regulatory credentials directly from FSCA and IFSC databases. Use trusted payment methods and document every transaction. Be ready for possible delays or support frustrations. And if you want total peace of mind, consider brokers regulated by top financial authorities, because your capital deserves strong protection.